Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos. Today is episode 4 of the New Home Building Project series. We decided to take a drive up north. It's been 8 days since we were there, and we found something that had changed since our last visit. So take a ride with us. We'll go up there and take a look at it, and we'll learn what's happened since we were there last. Alright, today is July 15th, 2019. We are out at the building site, the lot, and something's happened since we were here last. Let me show you what's going on. The land survey company has been here and they've set some elevation stakes. So this is one, shows negative 1.9 feet. 4-foot wall, I don't know what that means, but 6-foot front line garage. So that's one. There's another one on the opposite side, and we'll look at it in just a second. This is the rear stake. It says minus 9.9 feet, 9 wall. Like I said, I don't know what that means. I'm not a surveyor, but I'm guessing it has to do with elevation, so they know how deep to dig. Let's go look at the other side. There's one back in the weeds back there. I'm not going to go back there and look at it. I don't want to get the ticks and chiggers and all that stuff, so we'll just ignore that one for now. And up here on the southwest corner, we have another stake, 6-foot front line. Garage, negative 5.8 feet, 9 wall. Like I said, I don't know what that means, but I think it has to do with elevation. Also, I did some checking from this distance to the street, and it's about 43, 44 feet. So, and that's pretty much what the other foundations over there measure from the street as well. So I think this may be the front wall of the foundation. I don't know. We'll find out as time goes on. While we're here, I just wanted to show you that there's a lot going on out here. This is not our street, but it's a street that runs perpendicular to ours. We've got a couple of houses going in there. We've got one just starting the framing stage over here. We've got 2 or 3 going in up there. And we've got this one going in here. So there's a lot of things in motion here. So things are starting to percolate. It's getting exciting. I believe that we will be excavating next week. I'm not sure, but I think that's what the schedule indicates. So if you want to join us on this adventure and see this house get created from nothing, click that little subscribe button. I think it's right down there. And be sure and click the bell so you'll get notified when we upload the next video. So that's it for now. Until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.